uh, these tips everybody follow while writing your answers. So first, using capital letter at the beginning. First thing, keeping full stop should be accurate. So for this purpose also, they will award marks, punctuations, conventions of writing for 1 mark. In every question, punctuations of writing, like conventions of writing, every question has 1 mark. Okay, so this is very very important. You are writing accurate answer and it related grammar for only 2 marks. The remaining 1 mark depend on conventions of writing. These are conventions of writing. What is that? One capital letter. Compulsory the sentence begin with capital letter. So end with full stop. So follow the primary factor of language. So accurate, the language should be follow that grammatically correct one we have to follow. So how to get 3 out of 3 in comprehension. So in each question carries 3 marks. How to get some tips are there, just to follow it. So writing in single line won't fetch mark. So what is the meaning of that? If you write one line, single line, you won't get 3 marks. You won't get 3 marks. So write elaborately. Write elaborately. So you increase. Okay. So 3 to 4 sentences. 3 to 4 sentences. So minimum 3 lines up to 5 lines. So based on the answer, minimum 3 lines. Okay, so maximum 5 lines. So in such a way, write in connecting to given question. So question is one thing. Okay, so but answer also you write same related the concept. Okay, relevant answer you have to write. So now I will repeat once again how to get 3 out of 3 marks. How to get 3 out of 3 marks. First thing is that here don't write a single answer, single line answer. Okay, write elaborately. So minimum 3 lines, maximum 5 lines. Write in connecting to the given question. Okay, so out of 4 questions here, what kind of questions are there? Out of 4 questions, what kind of questions will come in the examination? Comprehension passages, first first paragraph comes from all 8 units a reading. All 8 units, out of 8 units a reading. So what kind of questions will come? Okay, so what kind of questions will come? 2 questions, factual questions. So related answer should be related passage. Factual questions answer should be related passage. Next, next another question, analytical or reasons and causes type questions. We will get 4 questions. Out of 4 questions, only 3 questions are related to the passage. So one more question is analytical or reasons related and causes related question will be there. Okay, so then we have to analyze that situation, then we have to write answer. Okay, clear? That is depend on our creativity. So next, last one more question. Question, reflective question. So if you were in his place, what would you do? If you were Nick place, what would you do? So such kind of questions will come in the examination. It is called reflective questions. So example here, if you were in the narrator, what would you do? Okay, clear? So these kind of questions will come. So then what do you have understand? You are going through completely the lesson related concept you have to write. Okay, Only two questions. May depend on language. Same really can't, but you write own. Here. So that is a question. Not write in way to elaborate. 3 to sentence line not counted. Sentence are counted. Sentence are counted. Okay now. So in this way, your so next why not? Answer should be in 3 to 4 sentences. Some questions, some questions starts with why. Some questions starts with so for that answers we have to write reasons. You are reading okay, you are reading excellent, but way of writing answers also very very important here. That is the point of view I'm discussing. So answer should be in 3 to 4 sentences. There should not be ambiguity, confusion while you are writing answer. In your answer there is no confusion way. So if you write in such a way, then you will get a complete 4 out of 4 marks. Okay, clear? So 3 out of 3 marks. Clear? So then in the answers, if a sentence gives wrong meaning, should be avoided. Okay, so wrong meaning. So if you write wrong sentences, okay, not related to the sentence, so then you should avoid, okay, that kind of things you must have to avoid. So next homophonical errors should be avoided. Okay, like son sun, in place of son sun, if you write to sun sun, so it is a homophonical uh, errors. Okay, that spellings you have to check proper spellings. Okay, so then in such a way, so you will be awarded full marks. So next repetition in the language, repetition in the language. So retendary should be avoided. Okay, so repetition you should avoid. Return back, return, so here these kind of words also you should. Return is the correct, return back not. Okay, సో రిటర్న్ అంటేనే తిరిగి రావడం, మన రిటర్న్ బ్యాక్ అంటే సమ్వాట్ ఇక్కడ మీనింగ్ అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. కానీ సో సచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ యూ మస్ట్ అవాయిడ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ మస్ట్ షుడ్ సమ్ యూజింగ్ షుడ్. ఓకే, సో షుడ్ బి అవాయిడ్. కానీ షుడ్ ఏదైనా ఒకటి చేయాలి. సమ్ యూజింగ్ మస్ట్ షుడ్ అవాయిడ్. నెక్స్ట్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ సంబడి ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏంటంటే వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రాకపోతుంది, వెరీ అని లేకుండా సెంటెన్స్ పంపించాలి. ఓకే, సో అదర్ పర్టికులర్ ఎర్రర్, ఇవన్నీ మన కాంప్రహెన్షన్ ప్యాచ్ గురించి. ఓకేనా, కాంప్రహెన్షన్ గురించి అదర్ గ్రామర్ ఎర్రర్స్ కూడా కూడా. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి, ఎస్ ఆర్ నో టైప్ క్వశ్చన్స్. లెట్ ద ఫ్రెండ్స్ గో విత్ ఓన్ ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ should be justified in proper meaning. So questions, some question starts with do you agree he's the person, do you agree him, will you do same thing. Okay, so do you accept. So yes and type answers and questions అయితే అయితే auxiliary verb స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయో, క్వశ్చన్స్ వర్బ్ తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయో, ఏ వర్బ్ తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యో వాటిని మనం వేస్తున్న క్వశ్చన్స్ అని అంటాము. సో వాటికి మనం గా ఆ సెంటెన్స్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఆ లెసన్ కు సంబంధించినటువంటి అక్యురేట్ మీనింగ్ ఇచ్చినట్టు రాయండి. ఓకే, కాంప్రహెన్షన్ మీరు చదువుతూ రాస్తున్నారు, ఓన్ గా రాసే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నారు, సో ఇలా రాయడానికి ఈ క్లూ అన్నట్టు. ఓకే, సో ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీట్ జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ గో త్రూ ఇండివిజువల్ ఆల్సో. నో, so no word limit, 4 to 5 sentences, more than that also appreciated. Okay, words you can increase, there is no change in that. So first passage a reading number 1 to 3, and second from pc number 5 5 6 7 8. Okay, mostly you prepare according to this. Okay, first passage from a reading ఓకే. సో 1 to 4th లెసన్స్ గురించి వస్తే బీ రీడింగ్ అనేది ఇందులో నుంచి వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా. సో ఒకవేళ ఇందులో నుంచి వస్తే బీ రీడింగ్ ఇందులో నుంచి వస్తుంది. సో మన మెయిన్ మోటో ఏంటి, 8 యూనిట్స్ ఏ రీడింగ్, బీ రీడింగ్, సి రీడింగ్ చదవాలి. ఓకేనా. 8